Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back into my channel. So in this lab, we're going to practice some demo on pre-sign URL. So basically, I have this bucket here. Let's say if we go here and you go there. So let's say if we click on property and we go down here and we click on trying to access this image, you see it says access denied. So we do not have any access, right? So it's a 404 and it's not found. So let's say we go back out there and then say we go to object. Let's say we click on this image here, right? And say if you click on open, so we basically have this image shows. So now, by the way, if you wonder what is a pre-signed URL, what is pre-signed URL? So a pre-signed URL gives you access to the object identify in the URL provides that the creator of the pre-signed URL has assigned to access that object. So that's what pre-signed URL is. Now let's dig in depth here and see. So all objects and bucket are private by default. However, you can use a pre-signed URL to optionally share object to allow customers user to upload object bucket without AWS security credential or permission. So, okay. And you can create a pre-signed URL. So anyone with valid security credential can create a pre-signed URL, but for someone to successfully access an object, the pre-signed URL must be created by someone who has permission to perform the operation that pre-signed URL is based upon. So that's what that is. So let's just switch back over here. So basically, all you have to do to create a pre-signed URL, you could use the CLI to do that, but you could also use the console to do that too as well. So now to do it with the console, all you got to do is just go here on object action, you click here, and then you say share pre-signed URL, and then you kind of like, you see, you get a pre-signed URL says that anyone can access the object with this pre-signed URL until it's expired, and if the bucket and the object are private. So tell you what, let's practice it on this. Let's go on bucket. Let's do it here. Let's upload an image. Let's add. Let's upload those 3 images here. And then let's upload them and let's close. And then we close that here. Now we click on this. I'll tell you what. Let's click on the bucket. It's back to this. Let's go on properties. We scroll down. So we got to enable the static website. Let's give it a nah, there's no need for that. So let's just go. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do index.html and then we save that, right? So we can get a URL. As we scroll down, now we have it. So let's click on it and see what's going on here. I'll show you something. So you see, it does not letting you because this is not public. So now let's go back out and let's go. Now, if we go to object, right? And you click on this, and if you click here, it will display the image. So access deny again. So now, what about if you open it here? So now you have it. That's what I mean. So okay, now let's go ahead and create the pre-signed URL for this. So just we shared. Then let's say we want to make this says 12 out. Let's say we make this 520 minutes. Then we're gonna do this. So we could copy the presigned URL, and then you go here. So there we go. So that's how you create a presigned URL. Now, let's say if you may have some question about presigned URL, what is presigned URL in AWS? You have that already. So a presigned URL is allow you to grant temporary access to user who have permission to directly run AWS operation in your account. So a presigned URL is signed with your credential, and you can use and can be used by any user. So its presigned URL is safe, could be. So just making sure this is clear. If you generate a presigned URL, anyone can use this. User generating this link could use it for phishing another user and let them upload an arbitrary file. So be sure you threat model property your feature to avoid logic vulnerability. So that's basically what that is, and this is the step to show you how to create that. So that's a pretty short video. I appreciate you guys will follow along. Stay tuned for another one. Thank you. Bye bye.